Hello, good morning. This is Shubh, your tutor from wireclass.com. I'm going to teach you today how to install a new software onto your computer without installing any unwanted toolbars or any unwanted things on your computer. Only the software which you want to run and use on your computer for best performance. Follow the steps. Once again, this is a computer which is installed with Windows 7. Windows Vista has the same kind of look. For Windows XP user, you have to locate the Start button at the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. You need to click on the Start button. From there, I am going to the Documents folder. Here we go. In the Documents folder, you can see there is a setup file, or it's a setup file for the software which we are going to install. I am double clicking on this. It is asking me for the permission that whether it's going to make the changes to this computer. I'm clicking on yes. After clicking on yes, I'm going to minimize this option. It is asking me to click on next so that I can continue installing this software. After I have clicked on next, most of the softwares will be asking for a permission where it will ask me to accept the agreement which it comes up with. I have to select on this option, I accept the agreement, otherwise you can see this next button is grayed out, which means I am unable to click on this. Once I have clicked on this button, I accept the agreement, this button is highlighted and I'm clicking on next. Here it will show me the place where it is asking me to install the software. By default, every software will be installed in C program files. Over there, these are the folders where it will be selected. If I want to make my C drive free from different kind of softwares, I can always click on Browse. From there, I can select any other drive which is important. Say for example, F. From F, I can select New Folder or Software, and I'm clicking on OK. So it will be selected as F drive in the software. This software which I'm going to install, it will be selected over there. But that is again a different step which you want to follow. If you want to get it installed in the same place, click on Browse. Once again, you can go back to the place where it's C drive program files. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Once I have clicked on next, it is going to show me the name of the software where it is by which it is going to get saved. I'm clicking on next once again. Here it is very important. These are showing me three different kind of boxes which are going to be installed. One is a desktop icon. This is what I require. Create a quick launch icon. I do not want to make my quick launch icon heavy weighted by this, so I'm unchecking on this, and this is showing me add IOBIT to my favorites. I do not want that because it's going to make my browser heavy, and whenever I'll be going to the internet, it will take a lot of time for the web pages in order to come up. This is a common thing which many of the softwares always uncheck this button. I'm clicking on next. Nowadays, most of the softwares, they come up with additional toolbars. Here also you are able to see it's showing install the IOBIT toolbar optional. In other softwares, it will be showing you some other toolbars like Google, like Norton, like Bing, like Search, like you name it and you will get it. Always uncheck the same, and it is asking me set Yahoo as my default search engine and install search settings to alert me. I do not want Yahoo as my default search engine. I'm unchecking this box. I'm clicking on next. I'm clicking on install. Once I have clicked on install, you will be able to see that these softwares are getting installed on the computer itself. I'm unchecking on this download recommended software because this is not done. I'm clicking on finish. Once I have done that, this software installation is complete. Thank you and you have a good day. Hi, this is Shubh, your tutor. I'm going to show you the steps how you can check whether you have got your internet working or not. In small, it is known as check up your network connectivity. This is very important because sometimes we say that there is a fault with the broadband provider, whereas the fault lies in our computer itself, where we are unable to get that whether it is connected with the internet or not when we are unable to go to the internet itself. Follow the steps. What we are going to do first, we are going to open the run box on our screen. We can get the run option by going to our keyboard, pressing the Windows and the R button together. Windows and R. We are going to get a box that says type the name of the program, folder, document or internet resource and Windows will open it for you. Here you can see the run box. From there we are going to type ncpa.cpl. In other words, November Charlie Papa Alpha dot Charlie Papa Lima ncpa.cpl and click on OK. It will open the network connection place on your computer. Local area connection network 3. Both the lights are on. That means it is well connected. If you see a red cross mark over here, that means this is not connected to the internet. People who are using a wireless connection, they will be able to see there are some markings below these two computer lines. That marking will show you that whether you are connected or not. You can double click on the same. It will open up this box and you can see the sent and the receive package. It is flickering and the numbers are getting changed. You can click on close. The other step which you can do is, once again you can open the run box and you will be typing over here CMD, in other words Charlie Mike Delta, and click on OK. It will open the CMD command prompt box on your screen. Over here please type in the following command, that is ping space www.google.com. Give a space, use the minus sign and then T. So the command is ping space www.google.com space minus T and press the enter button. If you are getting reply like this, reply from this, that is the IP address of Google, and you are getting constant reply, that means you are connected with the internet and you are able to receive reply from there, which means from your side your network connection is working fine. Other than this, if you are unable to view the website itself, probably that is a problem with the browser itself, or maybe the broadband is not functioning properly. Simple steps in order to check whether your network connectivity is there or not. This is Shubh, thanking you. You have a wonderful day. Hello, this is Shubh on behalf of wireclass.com. I'm your tutor and trainer now. I'm going to teach you how to keep and clean your computer from unwanted junk files which are accumulated in your hard disk. By removing them on a periodical basis, you are not only going to keep your computer safe, but you're also going to maintain the speed of your computer at the normal speed, where your computer would not be slowing up, and it will help you to clean up unwanted files and junk files which are slowly and steadily deleting your computer internally. We are going to clean up all that. So we are here in order to start the procedure. Once again, the procedure is how to clean up your computer from unwanted junk files which are accumulated inside your hard disk. Here we go. Now, as you can see that this is a computer which is installed with Windows 7. Why? Because of this orb over here. Now, for XP users, you will be able to find a start button at the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. For Vista and Windows 7, the look is more or less the same. So here we are going to start. We are going to click on the start button. This pop-up menu will come up on your screen. From there we are clicking on computer. In XP, it will be my computer. I'm clicking on this. It will show you all the hard disk which is installed. Like here, there are 4 hard disks. What I'm going to do, I'm right clicking on C drive. One right click. You're getting this pop-up menu. At the bottom, there is the option called properties. I'm clicking on that. Here you are minimizing this old window which is opened, and this is the thing on which we are going to work. Here in the C drive properties, you will be able to see the general tab is on, and here there is a button that says disk cleanup. I'm going to click on this button. A small procedure is going on where it is scanning all the Office setup files, all the other setup files which are over there in the C drive, because normally whenever we install any kind of software, that gets installed in the C drive itself, inside the program files or in the Windows folder. So it is analyzing each and everything. Now after you have done the scan, you will be able to see this kind of box coming on your screen. For better viewing, I am moving it alone so that you are able to see. Now from the drop down menu, I repeat, please select the option carefully. Number 1, downloaded program files. Always uncheck the box. Why? Because any kind of program files or Windows files which you have downloaded, if you are going to remove that, your Windows is going to get corrupted. Temporary internet files. You can click on this. Offline web pages. Always click on this. Game statistic files. Now people who are game fanatic, I mean to say that those who play online games or those who play games on their computer, what happens when we save a game, it gets stopped at a particular point. So if you click on this, then whatever games you have saved, that will be wiped off. So please uncheck on this box like it is right now. Office setup files, keep it unchecked. Recycle bin, click on it. Setup log files, leave it. Temporary files, click on it. Thumbnails. These are the thumbnails which refer to the shortcuts on your desktop. I am unclicking on it because I require those thumbnails on my desktop. Now there are some other options which you are able to see. Per user archived, Windows error reporting. I'm clicking on this. Per user queued, Windows error reporting. I'm clicking on this. System archived, Windows error reporting. I'm clicking on this. And the last, system queued, Windows error reporting. I'm clicking on this. So altogether, the things which I have left out are the thumbnails, setup log files, Office setup files, game statistic files, and downloaded program files. Always keep them unchecked. Once I have checked all other options, I'm clicking on cleanup system files. Here we go. Now as you can see, the disk cleanup is going on and it's calculating the thing. In the meantime, have a look. Used space is 21 GB, free space is 37.4. After this is done, you will see every other thing, they are being removed from this computer. I'm clicking on cancel now. You can see that the space has increased a bit. Once I have done that, I can also go for disk defragmentation, but that's the next step which I'm going to show you. Till now, this is the step which we are going to follow in order to remove unwanted junk files from your computer. After this, you can click on OK and all your junk files are removed. I hope this will help you in order to maintain the health of your PC. This is Shubh from Wire Transfer. This is Shubh from wireclass.com. Thank you.